Welcome to the month of September here at Lichtsinn RV, where we're only 1 mile north of the Winnebago Motorized Coach Division of Winnebago Industries, based right here in Forest City, Iowa. We have a lot of great events occurring during the month of September, but be sure to join us at 2 o'clock Central on Wednesday, September 19th for our live monthly webcast. Of course, we'll take all of your questions live, in which we'll do an update to one of our most popular videos in our video library on Lichtsinn.com, in which we walk you through satellite options for your RV, Satellite RV 101. Of course, we'll walk through all 3 types of satellite technology. We'll take your questions live, but as an added bonus, we're also going to update connectivity options for your RV. So we'll cover things such as Wi-Fi boosters and 4G LTE enhancements. So be sure to join us at 2 o'clock Central on Wednesday, September 19th.
Hi everyone, Jason here at Lichtsinn RV, one of the sales managers. Just wanted to take the opportunity to bring you up to speed on some of our limited availability of some of our products. As many of you know, we have had great success with the all-new Revel. We do have a few of those in stock that you can come in, test drive, get a feel for the 4x4 and how that handles. We also have the new Travato 59KL and 59GL with the Pure 3 48 volt system, Volta. And then we also have limited availability of the Aspect Cambria line, which includes the 27K and the 30J. As you can see, we do have those in stock as well in different color combinations. And then last but not least, also the Horizon line, which is the new contemporary design on the diesel series by Winnebago. So again, Aspect, Travato, Revel, we have those in stock. Contact any of our sales consultants here for further assistance.
Hi, I'm Reed Burkholder, Lichtsinn RV sales consultant. Just wanted to mention some great pre-owned inventory that we currently have. We have a great selection of travel trailers and fifth wheels that we are doing a closeout sale on, so please feel free to take a look at those. We also currently have 9 diesel pushers available, including a 18 Winnebago Journey 40J that we're currently standing in. We have a 17 Journey 36M, a 16 Winnebago Journey 36M. Both were bought new from our dealership. We also acquired a 2016 Itasca Meridian 42E. You'll be able to look at all of those on our website, full photos and full videos as well. We also have a great selection of Class C diesels, like Mercedes Winnebago Views. We've got an 18 View 24J, 17 Winnebago View 24G. We also have 6 Class A gas motorhomes available, including a 18 Winnebago Vista 29VE and a 17 Winnebago Vista 27N, and much more. Encourage you to look at our current pre-owned inventory. We do update that daily as new trades come in. Feel free to look at Lichtsinn.com and contact anybody at Lichtsinn RV if you have any questions. Look forward to helping you.
So that's it for the month of September here at Lichtsinn RV. Make sure you keep an eye on our website. We have new and used RVs arriving daily. If you want to see anything as far as videos go or additional information, make sure you check out our website, Lichtsinn.com, or give us a call. Our toll-free number is 1-800-343-6255.